I've done it a long time back. I've showed you my code also.
I've shown your code also.
Yeah, like in last time's class, you checked
We
my
have
code.
done with the strong numbers, but I think we have not done the prime numbers, right?
Okay,
If
then
you
should I
done with that,
try my screen?
it's okay. If not, I will show you how to do that. Okay?
Okay.
Have you done it or not?
Yeah, I've done it using the while
Prime
loop.
numbers from yeah. By using while loop only, we have to find prime
Yeah,
numbers from 1 to 100.
yeah, I've
Okay,
done
you
it.
have done that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Then let's continue with that. Okay. Now we have started our list, right?
Yeah.
List folder. Now, now I have a list as with the heterogeneous values as t- well, like this. I have a list like this. Okay.
Okay.
Now the task is to add my only to add only the integer values in my list.
Okay.
I had to I add 10, 15 and 12 and I should get the output.
Okay.
What is the possibility to do that? How we can do that according to you?
Like from range, we choose integer input class.
Okay. What you are thinking? I think you are closer to the program. You have to first of all you have to know whether it is an integer or string or complex. That means you have to know the type of that input, right?
Yeah.
By knowing the type of that input, we can able to do the operations, right?
Yeah.
So first of all, for to add, I have to take a variable as some variable as 0, right?
Yeah.
For I in X, I am taking each and every variable. Now, if type of I only know or
Yeah.
X, I or X,
I.
it means each and every variable. Okay.
Yeah.
Type of I. What if what will be the type? If what should be the type of I to get addition to do addition? What should be the type?
Integer.
Integer, right? If
Yeah.
type of I is so int, you have to use int. Okay, not integer. Int.
Okay.
It represents integer represents as int. Okay. String as str. Okay.
Okay.
Now if we get our integer value outside. Now I have to do sum. S is equal to s plus
Integer.
s plus
Integer.
that integer is nothing but I only. Okay.
Okay.
And printing yes. Do you see? I got the
Yeah.
output here. 15, 25, 25 plus 12, 37. That means here I am getting each and every variable. Let's make a dry run here. First of all, it is taking Shreya as I. Okay.
Okay.
I'm taking this Shreya. It was checking the type of Shreya. Type of I means type of Shreya. Is the type of Shreya is integer?
No.
No. So again it goes to the next number 10. For type of 10 is integer or not?
Yeah.
Yes. Then it will go here 0 plus 10. Right?
Yeah.
S equal to 0 plus 10 because my S value is 0 before. Now it became 0 plus 10. Then my S value become 10, right?
Yeah.
Again, it will go to the next one 15. 15 is the integer or not?
True.
No. S equal to what is the S value before?
10.
10. 10 plus 15 became 25, right?
Yeah.
Again, it will rotate. It will get this Hanuman. Okay. Whether Hanuman is integer or not?
No. No.
No. So it will not get inside this loop, and again it will rotate. 12 is integer or not?
Yeah.
Yes. Then my 25 plus 12 will become 37, and there is no other number or other variable, so it will go. It will print my sum 37. That's it. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Are you practicing our topics?
Yeah.
You will be able to understand. If not, you will get confused. Okay.
Okay.
Now, will you give the topic in list? Slicing. Let's take a topic called slicing.
Okay.
Okay. Let's take a list. 10, 20, 60. I want to print the number 30. How can I print number 30?
By taking the index as 2.
How to print that?
Um.
Print
So print x bracket
bracket
2.
2. Okay, I'll try to print this. Okay, I'm getting an error that list object is not callable. Try to rectify this error. Just observe the code. Is there any issue with the code? I'm getting
The
some
x
dark.
shouldn't be in the bracket.
Should be in bracket, right? X is
Okay.
already in
Okay.
bracket. Already we have done this. You have to use square brackets, okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, I got 30. Okay, you have said that you are, I think you are able to find the index of the, you are able to know the indexes of the list, okay?
Okay.
No, not a problem. You are confused at these brackets only. It's not a big issue, okay? Okay,
Okay.
I got my 30, but now I need my numbers from 20 to 50. 20 to 50.
Okay.
For that, I had a process called one. If I print x of 1, I will get 20. If I print x of 4, I will get 50. Okay, but
Okay.
I need values from 20 to 50. Okay. For that, I have to take 4. Will I get, if I use like this, will I get 20 to 50? Let's see the
Yeah.
output. Okay. But I got
Oh,
20, 30, 40. But I didn't get any 50 because in list also it
oh,
will
it doesn't
not
take the
consider the
last
upper
one.
bound.
Okay.
Okay. It will not consider the upper bound. So if you want to print 20 to 50, you have to use index up to this number, okay, to the last
Okay.
number. Okay? If I use my index as 5, then I will get 20, 30, 40, 50. X of 0,
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means it will take up to 4, okay.
Okay.
Now, I want to print by skipping one number.
Okay.
Okay, for that, what I have to do is, if I gave a number before this column, then it will start from this index. If I didn't give any index, any number here, then it will start from the first number. Okay.
Okay.
Let's try to print this. Let's see what will be printed. Okay. Okay. I have printed my exact whole list. Okay.
Okay.
Because I have not considered the first number and also the last number. In this, I have not mentioned any index here.
Yeah.
That's why it was taking from starting to ending. Okay. It has
Okay.
taken all the indexes in my list. Now
Yeah.
I'm giving the starting index as 1 and I'm not giving the last index. Let's see. It has started from 20 to 60. It has kept it at 10 because I have started my index from 1. Okay.
Okay.
Now I want to print 10, 20, 40, 20, 40 and 60. Let's see if I have taken a step as 2. Did you see? I got my list as 20, 40 and 60. That means it was skipping a number and it was going to the next number. If we use 2, it will skip one number. Okay. It will
Okay.
skip one number in the list and it will print the next one. Okay.
Okay.
Up to here. Okay. Up to the last one. Okay. Now I will try to, if I want to print 10, 30 and 50, what I have to do?
10.
30
The
and
first one
50.
should be empty.
First one should be empty. That's it. Is there any more changes?
And then you have to put 1.
Huh?
1. Put like instead of 2, should put 1.
So if I want to skip one number, I have to use 2 only. Shall I see the output?
Okay.
Yeah, I got 10, 30 and 50. This is the right statement. Okay.
Okay.
Because here we are not using the first one. Because so it will start from the first index, zero index, right?
Yeah.
0, 1 like this. I have skipping to skip one number. I'm using as 2. To skip one number, I have to use 2, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have used 2 up to the last number. So it was skipping one number and I'm getting the output as 10, that I am getting my required output. Okay.
Okay.
Now
Yeah.
I want to get the last index. I want to get the last 60. I want to print that 60. How I can print that 60? Can you? Hello?
Yeah. Is it you have to put pop like last class you told me?
Pop is nothing but pop is to delete the last value in the list. Okay. Pop.
Okay. Okay.
I want to print that 60. That's it. I need that 60 here. What I have to do?
Then you have to put all the index instead of the last one empty.
Try to tell me the statement so that I can.
Okay. So one column, one column, two column, three column.
Column. Shreya, you will have only 3 types of numbers. First column is to consider the first index, and the second number is to consider the second index. That's it. Okay. If you want to keep a step, you will have the third one. Okay. That's it. You don't have 4, 5 like this. Okay. You will have only 3 values. Okay. First
Okay.
one is to know the first index. That means up to from where it should get started, and the second number is, it defines that up to where it should be ended, and the
Okay.
third number is defines that how many numbers it should get skipped. Okay.
Okay.
That's it. You will not other than these 3, you don't have any other columns or numbers. Okay.
Okay.
Simply, if you give the
So I get
index
one
as,
column 5.
if you use index as 5, simply we will be able to print the 60, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, thinking you are thinking very deeply. You forgot to think the basic things. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. If you try to print the index, if you give the index of the number, then easily you can print that number, right?
Yeah.
You know the index of this number. Simply if you print that index of number, then you will can get this 60, right?
Yeah.
Other than this, we have another option. If we have infinity numbers, I don't know how many numbers in my list, but I want to print the last number. You can print -1.
Okay.
Did you see? I got my 60.
Yeah.
-1 indicates the last number index. Okay. -1 indicates the last number which is in the list. The index of the
Okay.
last number which is in the list. Okay.
Okay.
What will be the -2?
Second last number.
Yeah, very good. Second last number is 50. 50, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. 50. Very good. Now I want to do I want to get the numbers from 50 to 20. What I have to do? This is called negative slicing. Okay.
Okay.
I want to get the numbers from 50 to 20. If I want the numbers from 20 to 50, what will do?
You'll put as column and
20 to 50.
two column until 5.
We will use one column. Okay. Just now I have shown you one column, and 5 column like that. Okay. If you practice it, you can able to understand. This is a first class, right? So there is no problem to
Okay.
get the native slicing. Simply, I want to get numbers from 50 to 20 or something like that. So that I will use what is the index of 50 in native slicing? Tell me native slicing. What is the index of 50?
In negative slicing.
Yeah.
So from the backwards, is it?
Yeah, from backwards.
1.
1. Okay, I will print index of 1. I got
So,
20. That means I got 20.
so negative 2.
Negative
Negative 2.
2. Okay. I got 50. Okay. From 50 to or 20 or 10. I should get 20 or 10 like that. Simply I can use -5 here. And to jump one number, what I have to do? Let's see what will be printed here. Yeah, I got an empty list here because I have not mentioned how many numbers it should get jumped. Okay, in positive
Okay.
slicing, if you use 2 as your slicing, if you use 2, then it will jump one number, right? In negative
Yeah.
slicing, if you use -1, it will get we can get our negative slicing. Okay,
Okay.
did you see? I got 50, 40, and 30. Okay,
Okay.
if I use 1, then I will get my 60, 50, 40, and 30. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Do you got clarity in this concept?
Yeah, but I think I have to try it on myself to understand more.
Okay. Okay. If I want to print from 60 to 10, what I have to do?
-1 to
-1 to
12,
correct.
negative
Okay. If I
7.
want to print from 10 to 60, what I have to do?
You should leave it blank, the first and last one, the column.
That's it. Can I print this? Shall can I print this? Nothing will happen. If you had a 10% clarity also, you can say, okay, print it or not. Nothing will
Yeah,
happen. Nobody will punish you. Okay.
print it.
Printed. I got 10 to 60. Now I want to print from 60 to 10.
Do you have to put -1 at the back?
Yeah. Can I print this?
Yeah.
Yeah. What you have said is perfect, but you are, I think you had some fear in your mind. I think you are telling the output perfectly, but you are fearing. Okay. Don't get afraid. Okay. Thing will
Okay.
happen. Try to do whatever you want. You can do in your machine. Whatever the thing you want to, whatever the logics you want to implement in your code, you can implement that. Okay. You
Okay.
should not do the code as it is. What I am doing, you should not do the same. Okay. You have to think in different angles. Okay, so that you will be
Okay.
able to understand it more clearly. Okay.
Okay.
Now we'll ask you. Let's see. Uh, wait a minute. -2, -5, -1. What will be the output of this?
50.
50. From you are telling that it will be started from 50, right?
Yeah.
After that, what is the
Wait.
-2 and -1?
-1 is 60.
What is the value of -2 and -1? What will be the value?
-3.
-3, right?
Yeah.
So the next number will be -3. What is the value of -3?
40.
40. Of -3, -1.
-4.
-4. What will the value of -4?
30.
30, right? Let's see the output. We got right. In this way, you have to think. Okay, we have
Okay.
given -1 here, so you have to give -1 to this number up to this number. Okay, here it will
Okay.
not consider the upper one, so -5 will be not considered. That's why we are not printing this 20. Okay, now
Okay.
I will ask you a trap question. Okay,
Okay.
what will be the output?
Shouldn't we also put -1?
What will be the output now?
10. Because -5 -1 is -6.
Right? Shall I print the output?
10 and it's
Got an
yeah,
empty.
just 10.
Here 10. You had an two numbers here, right? After
Yeah.
my, if I want to print from 20 to 50, in positive slicing, we have 5 like that, right?
Yeah.
The same way, if I want to print from 5 to 2, simply let's see what will be the output and let's talk about that. I got 20, 30 and 40, right?
Yeah.
20, 30 and 40. You have considered that I had -5 as the first number, and you thought like I have -1 as a last number. No, so I am
Yeah.
calculating -1 with this, and if I get -6, then the index of -6 will be 10. Like that, you have thought your thought process is like that, right?
Yeah.
But if you don't consider any number here after this column, it will consider as +1. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now it will take +1. What's the value of -5 plus 1?
-4.
Is 4. Now 30 will be printed. -4 plus 1?
-3.
-3. So 40 will be printed. That's it. Okay, -2 it will not consider now.
Yeah.
Like that, we have to think, okay? If we don't give any jumping number here, then it will consider as +1 only. If you don't give any number, then it will consider as +1 only, okay?
Then how is 20 printed down?
20, yeah, that is what I'm saying. What is the, first of all, it will print -5, right?
Yeah.
It will print the index of -5.
Okay.
What is the x of -5? 20.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
After that, up to, I need the values up to -2. -2 is nothing but it will not consider -2, so it will take -3 only. Okay.
Okay.
And I have not taken any jumping number here. That means I don't want to skip the number. So I leave it blankly. That means I have not taken any number here. So it will take +1. -5.
Okay.
What is the value of -5? X of -5. Just now I have shown you.
20. 20.
20. 20. Afterwards, it will take +1, no? -5
Yeah.
plus 1. What is the value of -5 plus 1?
-4.
-4. What is the value of x of -4?
30.
30. Yeah. And after that, -5 plus 1. What is the value of this?
Isn't it -4 plus 1?
-4 plus 1.
-3.
Minus 3. What is the value of x of minus 3?
40.
40. Minus 3 plus 1. What is the value of minus 3 plus 1?
Minus 2.
Okay. What is the value of x of minus 2?
But you can't take that because it's upper value.
Yeah, because it will not consider this value. So it
Okay.
will consider only minus 5, minus 4, minus 3. That's it, right?
Okay. Yeah.
What I am getting is output like this. 20, 30 and 40. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3. Okay.
Okay.
You got any clarity in this?
Yeah.
Yeah. I will take a list, a random list. Okay.
Okay.
I want to print the numbers which are missing in it. Okay.
Okay.
I have taken a list as 1, 5, 7, and 9. I want to, and also I don't want 10. Okay, I will take 10. Okay. I want to print the remaining numbers which are missed in my list.
Okay.
For that, do you have any idea to do that?
Do I say INX for INX?
For
INX.
in X,
Um, take a new variable s equals to s is
add
more than equals to 1 or less than equals to 10.
more than this is greater than 10 and
No, no, s is less than 10, less than equals to 10 and more than equals to 1. It's
or is okay. Your whatever you are thinking is also okay. You are giving some work to your brain. Okay, it is very good. Okay, but I will show you how to do it. Okay,
okay.
for I in range of I want to take the minimum value and the maximum value, and I should find the missing values in between them, right?
Yeah.
So I have to consider the range here. What is the starting value?
1,
1. What is the final value?
11.
Because the maximum value is 10. But
Yeah.
to get the 10, we should take 11, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I not in X. Okay. Print I. Let's see the output. Did you see? 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9 are missing in my list 1 to 10.
Okay.
Okay. Simply, if you use this not in operator, then simply you can get the output like this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And for example, I don't know the starting value and ending value in my list. I don't know the values in my I don't know the upper limit and lower limit in my list.
Okay.
For that, what you have to do? I have set you. Okay, I will explain. Simply, if I want to print the lower value in my list, what I have to do? If I want to print the higher value in my list, what I have to do? I have explained you in our previous class.
Higher -1, 0 and -1.
If there is 7 at the end of my list, what we will do? let's consider 7 is there in my end of the list, 10 before that 1. Then what? How can you say that the highest value? I have said you that you can find.
Oh, the max value, is it?
Have to think like that. Then you will able to do any program. Okay. I want to print the max of x. I got my maximum number. Now
Okay.
I want to print my max of sorry. In the same way, how there is a max in our Python, there is a term called minimum also.
Okay.
Minimum. I got my minimum value as 1 and also maximum value as 10. Now,
Okay.
don't know the maximum and minimum values in my list. Then how can I take my range?
One is your lowest starting range, and
How can I take that? How can I take my one in place of 1? How can I take that before we have
minimum
minimum? Very good.
minimum
Minimum of x, comma, max of
maximum x.
x plus 1. You understand this? What is the maximum?
Yeah.
Max of 10? Max of x. Sorry, max of x. What is the max of x?
10.
10 plus 1 means 11 only, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You see, we got the same output. Okay.
Okay.
Like this, you have to do the programs. Okay. You should not take the number in range. In range, you don't have to take the numbers in your range. Okay. You have to use like this. Okay. Based on requirement, you have to do your program. How efficient it is, then there should be more efficiency in your logic. Okay. Then
Okay.
only you are considered as a good programmer. Okay.
Okay.
I want to get the index of 10 like that. I have numbers as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I want to get the index of 20. How to find that? Are you maintaining any notes?
Yeah, I have notes. I have your course as well.
To find the index, we can use like this. idx is equal to x dot index of the number, which number, for what number you have to find that index. The index will be printed here. Let's see the same thing in our index. idx. This is a variable. Okay, whatever the name you can here, you can also use y, z, a, b, c, d like that. Okay.
Okay.
Index of start. Yeah. Print x. Okay. For 10, I will get 0. And for 40, what will be the index of 40?
4.
4. Is that correct? Index will be 3, right? Index will be starting from 0, 1, 2,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. Observe the program and you have to say the answer. Okay.
Okay.
If you practice more and more, you will be able to tell them very frequently. No problem. Okay. I am getting my index like this. Now, I don't want to use the index function to find the index.
Okay.
There is the person will ask me, boss, don't use the index function and let me know the index of some random number in my list. Okay. For that, what I have to do means, first of all, I will take an input. Okay. Input of input enter a number. Okay.
Okay.
If there is no, if I have entered 60, what it should say? It should say like, this element is not found in my list. Okay.
Okay.
I will write the program for index in range of 0, comma. How can I find from which number index will be started?
10.
Not like that. What is the first? That means I am not asking the number which is in that index. Index value. What will be the first index?
0.
0 only, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now I want to consider the index values from 0 to up to 50. Index value of 50.
Okay.
Okay. Here my index value will start from 0 to up to which number?
4.
4, right? 0 to
Yeah.
4. Okay. 4. Okay. Okay. If x of index is equal to the number which I have given in my input box, then it should print. It should print the index. If I got that index, I will come out of the loop. I don't want to do the next operation. Else, it should say that print element not found. Element not. I am giving my values 40. What will be the index I will get in my input in my input, output box?
3.
What will be the output now? Index of 40. What is the index of 40?
3.
3.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got the output as 3. Okay. Now I will give 60. What will be the output now?
Element not found.
Let's see. Okay, element mod. Our program is working perfectly, but I don't know if the list is somewhat I don't know the indexes in my list. Then what is the range I should consider here? Here I
Okay.
should consider
-1.
range.
Instead of 4, should you
If
put
I put
-1?
-1 here, will it work? It will not work. Okay.
Okay.
I should if before actually we have taken 4 right here.
Yeah.
Let's take 50. Element not found. Why it is getting as element not found?
Because we don't take the top number.
Huh? Yeah.
It doesn't come in the range. 50 is not in the range.
if we consider 5, let's take 50 as input. I got my 4 here because we should take some upper value here, +1 here. Okay. The same way, if I want to find the number of indexes in my list, means there is a function called length, len of x. Okay.
Okay.
Len of x. What will be the length of x? Let's see the length of x here. First of all, length of x. Sorry. Print. I got my friend 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Index will start from 0, but length will start from 1. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Simply by seeing only, we can say that our length of x will be 5. Okay.
Okay.
So directly I am using a len of x because it was taking 5 only, right? So
Yeah.
there is no need to take +1 and all. Okay.
Okay.
If my length of x will start, if my length of x is started from 0, then I should take +1 here. But my length of x length function will take first number as 1 only. Okay. Index will take the first number as 0. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I will try to. Did you see? I got my output. Okay. Like this, you have to use here. First, whatever the list it may be, the range will the index will start from 0 only. That's why I have taken 0, but I don't know the last index, so I have taken the length of x here. Okay.
Okay.
Now if I had a string in my list, there is a string in my list, will it work out? Shall we see the output?
Okay.
Based on your idea, will it work out or not?
I think it'll work.
Okay, let's see now. And I will use this. I got an error here because here I should give an integer input, but here I have given a string as input, so it was not working. So I will remove int here.
Okay.
Let's try to execute the program. Enter input. Let's change it as input. Okay. I will use SHREEYA, shred. Did you see?
Yeah.
I got 5. Now value 50 here. I am getting element not found. I will give 40. I am getting. So my program is not working perfectly. Okay.
Yeah.
Further, what I have to do means, here it is comparing my number with the input. The input is string, right?
Yeah.
The input is here it was considering index with the here we are taking string as input, but
Okay.
here we are getting here it is considering integer and string. In Python, there is no chance to compare my string and integer there is no chance to compare these integer and string. Okay, so I will change my string. I'll change my integer into string. Okay, how means simply str. I'll change this str. Okay, whatever the number came here, it will be changed to string now. Okay.
Okay.
I will give 40. Did you see? I got the index as 3. Before it was not came because here the input value will be 40, not 40. It will be compared with this 40, so it will not take. Okay. Here, here it will be in the string format. Okay. The number and string will be not compared, so we are not getting the output. Okay. Try
But
to practice.
isn't number integer? Why are we using a string?
If there is a string in my list, I am taking string, because here also if you want to give the input as integer, you have to take int here. Okay.
Yeah.
So if there is any string in my list, I can't take my input as string. Before we have seen that we got an error that Shreya, we can't consider Shreya as an integer, so you are getting an error like this. We got an error before. Did you observe that?
Yeah.
I will show it again.
I have observed it.
Okay. That's why I was unable to compare my number with string. Okay. Whatever the input I have given here, it will consider as string only. Okay. That's why I was not able to compare this. That's why I'm getting the error. If I change both the values as string, then it will be, we'll get the perfect output. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. That's all about today's class. Did I ask any logical question in the last class?
No.
Okay. I will ask it today. I will ask a simple question. Okay.
Okay.
There were 3 glasses.
Okay.
And 10 coins.
Okay.
I have to keep odd number of coins in each glass.
Okay.
Okay. I don't want even number coins in those glasses. Okay. I need odd number coins in that glasses. Okay. How we will do that? Okay. You have to think it from out of box. Okay. Then only you will get this output. Okay.
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 Do you have to put all the coins in the glass itself, or can some be outside?
You have to fill those glasses with coins, but odd numbers. You have to fill 3 glasses. You can also keep one coin in one glass and another coins in another glasses also. But you have to get odd numbers only.
Okay.
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 Your my question is you understood my question, right?
But do all the glass have to be filled, or like one can be empty?
No, no glass should be empty.
Okay.
3 glasses should be filled at least with 1 coin, but you have to fill those 10 coins. Okay.
Okay.
But you should get an odd values. Okay.
Okay.
Whatever you want to do, you can do. Think out of box. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
This question is somewhat different when compared to our previous questions. Okay.
Okay.
Okay then. Okay. Bye, Shreya.
Okay. Thank you.
Practice all the questions and all. Okay. Bye.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.